Most stories begin with once upon a time. But how will you start your next fairy tale? Perhaps with a mythical water spirit Nukin once hid in a dark lake, but now he wants you to join him in an exciting adventure. Or whether mighty trolls once roamed the mountains, who fell asleep and turned to stone when the morning sun arrived. Now, they just stand there, waiting for new explorers. Maybe where the song of Hulda once lured wanderers to the waterfalls, but now it invites you with the laughter of children. No matter where your story begins, one thing is certain. Telemark isn't just a place you visit. It's a fairy tale you become a part of.